Contrary to its name, the slime eel is not an eel. It's a unique marine organism, distinct from the fish we commonly refer to as eels. I visited a seafood market to observe a live slime eel. Here's what a slime eel looks like. Under stress, a slime eel secretes a copious amount of mucus to shield its body. Additionally, the slime eel conceals sharp teeth in its mouth like this, making it a popular inspiration for mysterious creatures in films. So, what exactly is a slime eel? Today, we're delving into the mysteries of the slime eel. To demonstrate, we have some frozen slime eels on hand. Ta-da! Quite a striking visual, isn't it? Once we clean off the residual mucus, here's what it looks like. When sensing danger, slime eels can produce mucus many times their body size, earning them the name slime eels. To understand what kind of creature the slime eel is, let's start with an overview of its appearance. Firstly, we observe the head, particularly the eyes of the slime eel. The eyes of slime eels are so rudimentary that they can only perceive faint light, and they're somewhat hidden under the skin, making them barely visible. However, instead of relying on vision, slime eels use their sense of smell and touch to locate food, utilizing several pairs of whiskers on their heads. A single nostril is at the end of the head, and beneath that is a circular mouth. A distinctive feature of the slime eel is its absence of a jaw. They eat with this round mouth, but a surprising detail is revealed when you use tweezers to inspect the inside. The mouth contains two circular rows of teeth made of keratin. Slime eels lack jaws and utilize their teeth, which are connected to their tongues. These teeth can move in and out of their mouths, enabling them to bite off their prey or to enter a body and gnaw out internal organs. Quite frightening, isn't it? While it might seem off-putting, the slime eel plays a vital role as a scavenger in the ocean floor ecosystem, primarily feeding on organisms that have died and settled on the seabed. Many mistake the slime eel for a type of eel due to its elongated, slender body and flat tail fin, similar in appearance to true eels. However, while the term eel typically refers to the bony fish in the order Elae, slime eels are distinct and do not belong to this order. So, what exactly is a slime eel? To begin with, slime eels are part of the phylum Chordata. Chordates are animals that develop a rod-like support organ, known as a notochord, along their backs during early growth stages. In slime eels, this notochord appears as a white, cord-like structure functioning similarly to a spinal cord. Among chordates, those with a backbone are classified as vertebrates. The creatures we call eels are members of the teleost fish class of vertebrates. Initially, slime eels were thought to be invertebrates, lacking vertebrae, and thus not part of the vertebrate category. However, due to their resemblance to lampreys, which are vertebrates, slime eels, like lampreys, have been classified as round-mouthed creatures. They are now considered to be one of the most primitive taxa within vertebrates, possessing a rudimentary form of vertebrae. Slime eels and lampreys, belonging to the family Cyclostomata, might be mistaken for members of the eel order due to their elongated bodies and having the word eel in their name. However, they are distinctly different from the eel order, as they are the only vertebrates lacking jaws and hard-boned vertebrae. Wow. Interesting, don't you think? Upon closer examination of a slime eel's body, you'll notice several pairs of gill holes. Beyond these gills, there are additional holes scattered across its body. These holes are mucus pits specialized for mucus secretion. The mucus secreted by the slime eel's pores has a unique property. It turns into a jelly-like substance when mixed with water. This mucus serves as an excellent defense mechanism, as it can clog the gills of predators and potentially suffocate them. However, producing such extensive mucus can be risky for the slime eel, as it might choke on its own secretion. To avoid this, after releasing mucus, slime eels clean themselves by twisting and contorting their bodies in a knot-like motion. The tough skin of the slime eel is another intriguing aspect. Its skin is not tightly bound to the underlying flesh, but is actually rather loose, which is thought to be an adaptation for protecting the internal tissues from predators. The skin of these creatures, being easily removable and durable, is sometimes used in crafting leather goods like wallets and shoes. Interesting, isn't it? Slime eels are not only peculiar on the outside, but harbor even more mysterious traits within. Given the multitude of fascinating aspects of slime eels, we've divided our coverage into 2 parts. In the next video, we'll delve into the internal anatomy of the slime eel. This concludes our video on slime eels. If you found this video interesting, please consider subscribing to our channel. Unveiling mysteries through science. This has been Fishy Science.